Okay, so as you have seen, I apologize, but I don't have access to weather, right? And now we're gonna give it the power of internet, so that it has access to weather. You have to create this cloud desktop JSON file. I think we don't have that file yet. To do that, you can go to your cursor, right? Actually, you can make it larger. You can go to terminal from anywhere. I just choose to use cursor, right? You can open the thing. What? Cloud library application support cloud. So there is that, right? Once you go here, then you need to create this thing here, or you can simply do touch instead of open. You can do touch, and then you can go there. Bingo. So that should create something called cloud desktop JSON config file, cloud desktop config JSON file, whatever, same thing. Then you can of course open it with, I'm gonna open with text edit because easy to, quicker. After that, bam, you have it, right? And that's it. And then you're gonna do a little bit of change on that thing to give access of the internet. I'm not sure if they have a link to their GitHub, do they? Oh, there is GitHub. So you can go to model context GitHub page, and there is something called servers. On the servers, you have bunch of features you can install. You can give access to file system. Whatever folder you point to, it can do everything in that file system, right? It can change, add, and there are a bunch of, you can give access to GitHub, Google Drive, blah 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 blah. But the one we are currently interested in, not Google Maps, but the Brave search. That is how you give access to web. So you go to Brave search, you come down here, then you need an API key, of course, to do this, right? You can sign up for Brave API, and then once you sign up for Brave API, I believe, oh, I have, so I think, if you sign up for Brave API, you will have something like this, right? API thing, and then you go there, then you would get Brave. Copy that. As of now, let's not copy that. First we need to copy this. You need to copy whatever is here, and then you need to paste it on your cloud desktop thing, which is here, right? While we are here, actually I'm gonna give it something else too, right? Because once we have some information from the internet, I can choose to save it in my system. So to do that, I think I can give it an access to file system as well. Come all the way, you can forget everything, and then now you need two things. One is the API of the Brave key, and if you want to change something on your whatever directory you choose to, you can do that here. Please paste or change it accordingly how you want to do it. So here okay, so once you wrote those API keys and path to your local directory in your JSON file, then you come to the cloud app, and you have 11 MCP tools. Now here you can see what you can do. You can do local search, you can do web search, you can create directory, get file info, list all directories, and all those things, right? That you have given power to. Do a Brave search and find out the stocks, the stock price of Tesla for last 30 days. Please write this info in TSL Tesla .csv file in my working directory. I think that should work it. Let's see what it does. Allow for this chat. Right, it is writing. Oh, as you can see, we do have that file here, tesla.csv. Wow. And not right now. So you see, bam, right? This is the power of using web and giving access to your file. You get the information from internet. You can do it. You can come to the Cursor AI. You can see plot how the plot I think we can say how does the price changed over the last 30 days, because it already has access to tesla.csv. It is creating plot tesla.py file here. I think it will ask me to write it. I can accept it. Now you can see there is plot tesla.py. Bam, you can see, right? So we have the graph, something that will take you some time. You can do scatter as well, right? Whatever you want, whatever works for you. You see there's a graph, there's a trend. You can do bunch of things here as well, right? You can get the AI editor by playing command I, perform, okay, and then you can ask it bunch of things, right? So there you have it. We started from something 0, and then we were able to get this graph with an actual data, right? And now you can change it. You can do bunch of stuff. At the end you have a working applications on how to use latest MCP or model, something from Anthropic. All right, see you next time.